Thomas knows there is a lot to do. But if the steam engines and diesel engines work together, they can get the job done. There are jobs for the engines all over Sodor. Different engines are good at different things. Can you help Thomas decide which steam engine should work with which diesel engine? These workmen need to finish painting the Sodor suspension bridge, but the paint is still at the yard. 2 engines need to go and collect it. The yard has a very tight bend. Mavis is short and can go around tight bends. She needs a short steam engine to help her. Which steam engine do you think should help her? What about Gordon and Henry? Are they short? No, they are very long. Who else could help Mavis? What about Percy? Is he shorter than Gordon? Yes, he is. So he can shunt trucks around tight bends too. Well done! Percy can help Mavis collect the paint and take it to the workmen. 1 steam engine and 1 diesel engine working together. These workmen all need to be taken to the airport. There are lots of them. Toby will need some help. Which diesel engine do you think could help him? What about Arry and Bert? Do they take passengers? No. Arry and Bert are good at shunting, but they don't take passengers. Can you see a diesel engine who does take passengers? Daisy. That's a very good idea. Daisy is a diesel and she carries passengers. Daisy can help Toby. There goes Toby with some of the workmen, and here's Daisy to take the rest. Another diesel engine and another steam engine are working together. Here's Gordon. His carriages are full of carpenters. He's taking them to repair the engine sheds. But his train is very heavy, and the sheds are on the other side of Gordon's hill. Edward usually helps push Gordon up the hill, but Edward is busy taking supplies. Are there any diesels that could help Gordon? Thomas isn't sure. Which diesels do you think are good at pushing? Do you think Arry and Bert could push Gordon? They've never done it before, but maybe Arry and Bert could push Gordon up Gordon's hill. They've done it. 2 more diesel engines working with a steam engine. All the work is getting done. Steam engines and diesel engines work very well together. Well done, Thomas. And well done, everyone.